Here we have a travel approved backpack for men and women. It has a size of 40L. This is a large expandable luggage backpack. You can easily pack clothes for 3 days, meaning shirts, shoes, laptop, phone, books, and it's all protected with its waterproof shell. It's very well organized with a 2-layer compartment. One layer is the lay flat main compartment where you could put clothes and boots, and it has a mesh pocket for putting your passport, cables, phones, or wallet. It has a middle zipper pocket where you could put small documents and papers or easily accessible items. And also front zipper pocket where you could put things like your cell phone, USB cables. This is a very well thought out backpack. This is a well thought out backpack that is well made of high quality water resistant fabric, lightweight, anti-scratch. All the walls are padded and holds the shape. The lockable YKK zippers are smooth and sturdy. It's packed with reinforced stitching and soldier straps makes it last longer. Side pockets for possibly a water bottle or any other thing that you need quick access to. Comes with a convenient USB charging port. This way you could directly charge through the side of the bag your power pack for your electronic devices. Second layer has a laptop compartment where you could fit a laptop and a separate sleeve for a notebook or other electronic device. Laptop size could be up to 17.3 and it's very TSA friendly, meaning you could open it up to 180 degrees easily. This travel backpack for men and women can also be used as a laptop backpack, business backpack, college backpack, personal items, and definitely a convenient and classy looking travel bag. It's perfect for that 3 to 4 day vacation or business trip. It has a luggage strap. This way you could place it, slide it on top of your luggage handle, your rollable luggage. Tough handles all around on the top and on either side of the luggage pack. This way you could carry it like a mini suitcase or grab it just like a regular backpack from the top. It has an expansion zipper which takes it from 30L, that's 7.5 inches wide, and expands to 9.5 inches for a total of 40L. It has high elastic cushioning on the back to give you breathable comfort while it's on your back and across your shoulders. To me, this is a very high quality, great looking backpack that will fit many needs. And this is something you consider for your next trip.